Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am, which class is this?
This is your SST class, beta. Check in your timetable which class it is. Check in your class timetable. This is your SST class. All of you, please open your cameras.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. A very good morning to each one of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Everybody, please call out your names for your attendance. Let me mark your names.
Akshita Tiwari present.
Once again,
Akshita Tiwari present.
Akshudha Tiwari.
Akhya Goyal present.
Akhya Goyal. Next.
Ma'am, Arav Gupta present.
Arav Gupta. Next.
Ma'am, Ulafi Shukla present.
Ojasvi Shukla. Next.
Ma'am, Varshita present.
Varshita. Next.
Amar Singh present.
Who? After Varshita,
Samarth Singh present.
who is Samarth Singh? Okay. Next.
Ma'am, Swartyagi present.
Shaurya Tyagi. Next.
Kanav Mittal present.
Kanav Mittal. After Kanav,
Yashmit present. Yashmit Mishra present.
Yashmit. Very good. Next. After Yashmit, Mokshit Mishra is not calling out his name. Why, Mokshit? You don't want to be marked present? Mokshit?
Present, ma'am.
Yes. And Bhavya Rastogi is also not calling out his name.
Ma'am, I am present. Ma'am, present. Ma'am, Bhavya Rastogi present.
All right. So we have how many children in all? 11 children. That's right. Okay. Children, everybody, take out your social studies copies, all of you now.
Yeah.
Whose birthday is it? My God, Varishta, it's your birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday. Where are you? Let me see your face. No, Varshita. Varshita. Varshita, my birthday gift to you would be if I learn to call out your name. I always make a mistake while calling you out, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is it only me who makes the mistake or other teachers also?
Ma'am.
Nobody makes. Varshita.
Ma'am, everybody.
Oh, everybody. Thank God. I'm not the only one then. Good morning. Very good morning, beta.
Good morning. What we will do today?
What we will do? First of all, before anything, we are going to sing a birthday song today. All of you unmute yourself because it's Varshita's birthday. Yes, we are going to sing for her, first of all. Everybody unmute yourself and let's sing for her. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I can't see you all. I can't hear you all, children. Samarth,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
happy birthday, dear Varshita. Happy birthday to you. How many years old, Varshita, you've turned today?
Ma'am, 9.
9 years. Very nice. Very good. Children, my signals are fine or my video is pausing in between?
Ma'am, fine.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, your signals are
sometimes. Ma'am,
All right.
sometimes it pause and
It's pausing in between?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, but it's fine.
So, ma'am, but sometimes.
But my voice is clear or my voice is also shaking?
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
Okay. Everybody now, my God. Now see, so many children have joined now. Let me take your, let me mark you all present. Harveen. Who is Harveen Kaur?
Ma'am, she is a new student.
That's Parmeet Singh.
Ma'am, what you are teaching?
I am teaching you SST. Harveen Kaur is a new student. When did you join, Harveen?
Yes, ma'am.
When did you join, beta? When did you join the school?
9.
How many days back? 2 days back, 3 days back, a week ago?
अभी खुला है मैंने अभी शुरू हुआ है मेरा तेरा नाम लिया मैंने
A week back. Okay, you joined the school a week ago. Very nice. Welcome to SR International, beta. Which school are you from? I can't hear you.
SS Senior Secondary School.
Okay, children, tell me if I am missing out anyone's name. The students who have joined late. Jaskaran, Naman, Raina, Rasya, Samarth, Parmeet, Harveen, Panchul Mishra. Is that all or anyone else has also joined?
Ma'am, Parmeet in present.
Parmeet, beta, I have called out your name. Did I call out Atharv Gupta's name? No, I didn't.
Also present, Panchal.
Panchul Bache, I have called out your name. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, you
everybody-
didn't call my name.
Whose name? Oh, Jasvi, beta, I called out. You called out your name before only because you were the one to join very early, on time. Not early, but on time you joined the class. These students have joined it late. Okay, now everybody open your SST copy. Bring your SST copies. Today we are going to do the written work of chapter 1.
Ma'am, I have done the homework that you have sent.
You've done all the exercises?
Yes, ma'am. You brought my SST copy. And today we do the question answers.
Yes. Your homework was to do exercise A in your copies of chapter 1. You had to do fill in the blanks.
Yes, ma'am, I have done that homework.
Very nice. You have done that. Now what we are going to do? Exercise B and C we have done in the book. Isn't it?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, beta. Bolo.
Ma'am, you go and take my SST copy because he is another room.
Go, beta. Go and bring it. Now be ready with your SST copies, everyone, because today we are going to start with the question answers of chapter 1. All of you write down today's date, write the name of the exercise, and answer the following questions in brief. Everybody be ready with this much work. Then we'll begin.
Let the games begin, please. Ma'am, can you repeat what to do?
What to do, beta? Take out your copies. Write down today's date and write down what exercise is it? Is it D exercise? Answer the following questions in brief.
Ma'am, please tell the date.
Today is 19th of April, 19/4/21.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we have to write in our copy?
मैम इसमें आपने लोग
Beta, you have to write, answer the following questions in brief. We are doing chapter 1 question answers today. Write down today's date. Wherever you ended the work, the last work, just below that, start today's work. Okay, don't waste the page. Don't start from new page. Just below where you ended, you can start the work.
Ma'am, but I have written it from the new page.
Now, if you've done better, no problem. But for the next time, please make sure. When it's the same chapter going on, you can continue from the same page by just changing the date. Leave 2 lines, write the current date and start the work. Need not waste the page. Only when we'll start a new chapter, we are going to start with a fresh page. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, in this question, ma'am, there is not space, so I am writing in new page.
Yes, only if there is no space left, not much space left in the previous page, then you can start from a new page. Written? Have you all written this much?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first question?
What is history? What is history? What is history?
I'm sure all of you know the answer. What is history?
Yes, ma'am. History is the study of the past. History is the study of the past.
Very nice. Wonderful. I'll type the first answer in the chat box.
The answer is the study of past. It is known as history. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Sure. Beta, when you sent me the work of SST, you remember you made a PDF and sent me the work? But you haven't
Yes,
sent the
ma'am.
difficult words. Have you not done the difficult words in your copy?
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, then you must have forgotten to send me that. Because I checked your PDF yesterday, the difficult words were not there.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, where is the answer number 1?
Answer number 1 is in
Ma'am,
the
I have written next question.
very
Ma'am, I
nice,
have done.
very good.
Study of the past.
Answer.
Ma'am, I have done and written the second question also.
Very nice. Everyone has done question number 1?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down
Yes, ma'am.
question number 2. What is question number 2?
Ma'am, I have written. What are the two sources of history? Ma'am, what are the two sources of history?
I'm sure all of you know answer 2 also.
The two sources of history are archaeological sources and literary sources. Archaeological history and second is literary sources.
Very nice. Very good.
And literary source.
Answer 2 is also in the chat box.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, we are doing question answers of chapter number 1. So many children are joining the class so late. Huh? I can see Palvini Ahuja, Kunal Patel, Arhan Yadav, Kanav. Children, where is your punctuality gone? All of you take out your
Ma'am, I
SST
have done the
copies.
question 3.
Beta, wait. All right, very
Ma'am,
nice.
I'm giving you time.
Let me talk to the students who have joined now. Beta, take out your SST copies. We are doing question answers of chapter number 1.
Ma'am, please send the question 2 in chat box.
Okay, I'll send answer 1 and answer number 2. Both the answers I'm resending. Write them. Have you found it? Everyone has got answer 1 and answer 2 in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, hurry up and do.
Ma'am,
And next time I will not let you enter the meeting.
ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell the question too, ma'am? I know the answer, but ma'am, please tell the question too.
The question is, what are the two sources of history?
Okay, ma'am.
Write down question and then the answer.
ma'am,
Yes.
please tell third one.
What do I do?
Ma'am, please tell third one answer.
Beta, I will tell. Wait, let students do this. What is question number 3? Who will read out question 3?
Ma'am, what are monuments? Ma'am, what are monuments?
What are monuments? So who will tell what are monuments?
Monuments are the
Yashmit.
ancient buildings.
Jashmit Mishra will tell.
Monuments are the ancient buildings which were made by our ancestors.
Okay, anyone else?
Monuments are the ancient buildings like temples, pillars
Yes, very nice, very nice.
made by humans of the past. Monuments are such a palace and pillars.
Very good,
Etc.
very nice. So I'll type the answer in the chat box. Ancient buildings such as palaces, forts, pillars, and temples are called monuments. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please send on the chat box question number answer 3.
Yes, beta, I'm sending.
Ma'am, please send the answer in the chat box.
Beta, see, I've sent.
Ma'am, please send the question to in chat box.
Beta, why question? I have already sent you the PDF on the class group. Check the question from there and write the question yourself. Written, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. What is the next question?
Name the periods of history.
Very good. Name the 3 periods of history. Who will answer it?
Ma'am, the 3 periods of history are ancient period, modern period, and medieval period. There are 3 periods of history are ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. Modern periods of history are ancient period.
Very good. Very nice. The 3 periods of history are?
The 3 periods of history are first ancient period, second medieval period, third modern period.
Okay, beta. The next answer number 4 is also in the chat box. See from there and do.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, then. Ma'am, I have done my work.
Very nice, beta. Very good.
Ma'am, please tell the question 4 again.
Now there are only 4 questions in answer the following in brief. Right? There are only 4 questions, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has done answer the following in brief.
Ma'am, please tell the question 4 again.
I am doing.
Okay, do it. All of you finish till here. Then we will start the next exercise.
Ma'am, I have done. May I send it on WhatsApp?
No, beta, no. Don't send it now. I will ask you for the PDF only after the whole chapter will be completed. And you all will send me the PDF from the beginning. From difficult words till here. The complete work I will be asking you for.
Ma'am, the book exercise also.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done the important points in the copy because when we I want when I want the answers immediately so I can use my copy to find.
So beta, you were supposed to do in the copy only. I made every one of you do it in the copy. You are talking about the fair copy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, you were supposed to do there only. Okay.
I have made.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have made my own points.
You have made what?
Ma'am, my own points that are important from.
Okay, okay. Fine, beta, fine.
Ma'am, my work.
All right. Complete. Everyone has done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next, write down, answer the following in detail. Write down the name of the next exercise, whatever alphabet is given, B, C, D, or E. Write down that. Write down, answer the following in detail. And write down the first question.
Ma'am, I have written number one. Ma'am, I have also written.
So the next question is, why are the sources of history important? Why are the sources of history important? Now, children, why do you think the sources of history are important?
Ma'am, the source of
The
history is
sources,
important to learn about your own past. You can look at old photographs and old things you used in the past.
very nice, very good. The sources of history are important because we come to know about our past. Okay, I will type the whole answer in the chat box. You will write it like that.
Ma'am, we have to write answer in detail.
Okay, children, everybody check the chat box. Yes. The sources of history are important because we learn about our past through these sources. We learn about our rich customs and culture. Fine? Everybody now write this answer.
Ma'am, what is rich custom?
What? What, beta? What are you asking?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of rich custom?
Rich customs, like the habits and all, beta, that we are following from the beginning. The customs which have been made by our ancestors, the old people.
Ma'am, what are ancestors?
Ancestors are the people who are no more alive, the people that used to live decades ago, long back, years ago, and who are now not present in the, who are now not alive in the present.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone has written.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I have written. Ma'am, my answer is done.
All of you have done, or some of you are still writing?
Ma'am, I am writing. Ma'am, I am still writing.
Okay. So we will do till here only today. Everybody try to complete the work till here.
Okay, ma'am, I have done.
Very nice. Very good.
About our rich customs. Ma'am, done just pronouncing.
The sources of history are important because we learn about our past through these sources. We learn.
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am, today we have not sent the PDF of all.
No. Today you don't have to send, beta. Once we will complete this chapter, then I will ask each one of you to make a PDF and send me personally.
Okay.
Not on the class group, but personally.
Okay, ma'am.
Then I will also declare, I will also announce the best PDF. It should be very neatly and cleanly made. I should not see any extra thing apart from your copy. And I will announce whose work was the best handwriting and the most beautiful work. Okay, done?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I have done.
All right, now see you in the next class, students. Bye for today. The class is over now.